ha bisingni thoges karima shimi samungo bathayawi luku hoda dafa hamkani samungo yakwar phunugoi tongo ONGC ni bisingtoi tini February chitham salmari cha salo STAC Component Plan Fund 2020-21 bisini rangbai All India STAC Employee Welfare Association Agotala Unit Material Distribution Panda Khalakya STAC category ni Chubakha nangai tongnai lukurongno ONGC asset Agotala Habanogo Tinin o samung butango Chubakha ritakjaknai khutung computer laptop thela gari risubjaknai machine tin akoro Bishibrumno STAC ni bagai phaima rangbai Chubakha pandano rugi ONGC ni tangphangkra saka
I am Amarjit Singh Virdi, officiating asset manager ONGC Tripura Asset Agartala. First of all, I would like to mention here ONGC is with Tripura, with the people of Tripura. We ONGC will grow only with the people of, if the people of this Tripura will grow. We are having our field jobs in each part of this state Tripura. We are doing lot of works in CSR for Tripura state. Especially the work is being taken up by the different collectives, just as STSC Association, OBC, ASTO, in all front of this development of this Tripura. In this, just I like to mention here, in the COVID period, we had distributed more than 15,000 food packets. In all the villages, nearly we are covering all the villages of this Tripura. Apart from that, we are doing a lot of CSR work with the range of nearly some 5 to 6 crores. Due to COVID, we are having some our internal problems for funds and other, but we'll ensure in the coming year we'll do much more CSR work what we are doing in the past years. With this, I will like to mention today's this CSR work is to the tune of more than 27 lakhs, and we are distributing sewing machine, thela rickshaw, computer. Even we are for the beneficiary the yarn for knitting this risha and fishing net to all the beneficiaries, those who are run their livelihood on this mini ONGC's gifts. I, along with my whole team, request the people of Tripura to just cooperate for the activities what we are doing in whole of this Tripura. Wherever they find any problems, anything related to their livelihood or any other activity, if they are affected by this, we are ready to help them. Just they have to approach our office, or they have to give the nearby installation, whatever their grievances is there. We are ready to solve, but it will take some time, but you have to be patient with the requirement what you have given. With this word, once again, I will thank you all, and especially the people of Tripura for their cooperation. Thank you.
सर आपका शुभ नाम?
मैं अमरजीत सिंह विरदी.
Tinin distribution pandanote mothani chairman Shokti Jomatia Saka ONGC lokorong ni Chubakha no kari mungsapan khlaimeya haniba lokorong ni Chubakha samka tai ONGC bo lokorong ni samotong ni bagi kokrkha abuna kari STAC rong no busek tamoro mani khnirok bagjaka shukrubu saka mothani chairman
ang pilawo sini je media channel tini sini o program phaimajak phainai coverage ni bangoi niro gadal pham bangai ang ani khapang phiogoi sini ONGC Tripura asset ni ngoi te All India ST Employee Welfare Association ni ngoi hambai marbo te hamjak maya pharo sini ONGC jung sudor niwa hydrocarbon gas exploration te mining gas ti khlaiya omani loge loge dofa ham khlayo sini yak tongo tani homale thaisingo sini bidisap sini tangphang okra saiklang thangka Tripura ni Lukurok ni subamang sara sini ONGC operation sing khlaimeya bisi brum no sini thanibo financial ero sini thanibo rang sok phaibo ONGC operation khlaibo drill site khlaibo boni loge loge Luku ham khainani bangai rang sok phaibo Oke, omo kaisa agency sini All India SC Employee Welfare Association hunoi ani bumung Sakti Jamatia ang orni chairman tinio seng omo ni kaisa samung yak bara seng yak nakha nirok nubai khana kami borok nok luku rok krui borok rang paisa aje thaniwo borok no seng kisa subalaiwo bisi brungno tinio seng sini ya phaw seng nukha sewing machine Schedule Caste 54, ST, Schedule Tribe 45, okay, Thela rickshaw kan 15 ST, okay, SC kan 3, the computer desktop sini NGOs rok tongo, kami rogo school doran khane rok, borok na busung rogo, kaiba, okay, te khutung sini borok rok ni belai ke nangkuk mani sini mong dinai risatak nani khutung NGO tongo borno busung khutung 60 kilos klai kaisa NGO sung rokha teka sungukha GI sheet school borogran klai tongo Enlightened English Medium School hina yang dos da bkhago sini khubal drill set ni ganago borno sung 140 pieces sung borokha borok school tangoi sini luku hamkhai samang tang tomani bangai gesini o fund kha SCST component plan fund o fund ni bumung orang seng bisi mama ni not tuinai seng luku hamkranio samang tang tongo sini saitok mung tongnai sini sakthar mung tongnai bus kang robo tebo seng luku hamkraibo yak rone bangai asoi paya seng tinio seng khanakha sini tangphang okra bidi sab cycling thamani drill site gana giniwo keo jodi affected ung tohake sini samang tangmani bisingtui daralai mung tohake borok no seng subawoi tongo bani bangai ang omon message romo sogo tripura lukurone thanigo sini ONGC sing jepropono nero bai tongnai nero busung bai tongjadi sini samung tamung timon nero busuba bai jadi omono ani kobok mong mane bang haino hai hambai maro nero TV channel fenerono sini All India SCST Employee Welfare Association ni ngoi nero getiniwo o program no coverage kana phai bang belai ke khapang yogui hambai maro
chasung kaisa omo
burung sini aro headquarter ni sini Dehradun ni ba Delhi office ni sini aro fund shop haibo SC alada ST alada khlaibinai hangke fund shop ekangke sing application nibang nawa nibangoi sing circular saklai ro sini drill side of
bafro rogo sar
sini thangnayo to sing abo April May June rogo sok phaibo haipon thangnayo covid nibangai kisa disturb kha late eng thangkha om haita mokhe jefro sing fund mano afroke sini guideline onusare sing drill side ni gana gini borokno phari sing man naigo hangke drill side gana gini ya hangke sing kisa selection khani mutuk thang jeman angtai samani haitak sini GI sheet ekdom sini khubal drill side and not nita gana obon school boni bangai sing borokno application ma ha logle borokni application sing accept khlaika consider khlaika jefro sing fund man ni yagle sing joto drill side operation area te installation sing circular ro hobo sini aro rang sokpaika gana gini krido ni thani onero application to bodi ni ma ke khanglaika
aja sar omo je khorgusum jak tin
e bono hono tin samani to 123 e tin to 130 roja khado boni sekamo sing rickshaw rokha rickshaw bu I think almost 45 sing rokha hongke te nini aboro zal rok akrong rokha te kamyo tabo catering rok khaitomai bu diprasa bisingo SC bisingo bu sing borono bahaino boro catering khaimo catering service ni je nangmani utensil rok bai ro bu omahaita hongke te tamoto srangma thane sing bicycle jara krui school thangmaya college thangmaya borok no busung borok bai ro hongke music jara tabok sini band party bo kaisa professional thangkha omo bai band party khlaibinai rang paisa ajnai tongo botiro no bosong thangnai rok gobang ma baglaika mahaita hongke tinang haino hai sapinai sewing machine schedule caste 54 schedule tribe 45 thela rickshaw nero nobai khana or photo schedule caste 3 schedule tribe 15 computer desktop 5 hongke laptop kaisa hongke yarn thread khutung bo kesini STCB na NGOs kaiba ini program roza kata
ঠিক আছে